So we just crushed 3 miles up and over the mountain, and we're an hour early for our pickup, our surprise pickup. Stay tuned for the side quest. I kind of want to get some boiled peanuts. All right. You figure out what we're doing yet? We got this too. We're good?
We're good.
Have you seriously never seen boiled peanuts before?
Not like that at a gas station. Have you figured out what we're doing yet? Hi, good morning. So, Riggs' brother Dustin is down here for the summer working as a raft guide. So, on his day off, he said, why don't you come and we'll take you out on the river. So, we're about to go for a little whitewater rafting side quest.
Thank you. There was an employee pub and you could go drink and eat and you would just hang out around the park when you had your days off and everyone worked together and everyone played together and it was fun.
I'm getting a little glimpse, I'm getting a glimpse into what it's like to, I guess, do seasonal work and have the community life.
Oh, this is him.
Here we are. Ooh, a hatchet and a machete. Nice. It's the beer treat.
Can I see what it looks like?
Yeah. I want to see what it looks like too.
Me too.
Oh, you got the big air mattress.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't like it that much. Nice.
You have a lot of space.
Holy shit.
Yeah.
Wow, that's not going on the trail with us.
Okay, so you're a banjo.
Look at that.
You have a banjo?
That says banjo.
This is nice. I could live in it.
Yeah, it's got AC.
You have all
AC.
this store. You have so much space.
Yeah.
Yeah, room for activities.
Yeah, it's pretty nice.
You can do your Frito pie though. All right. Who knows what a walking taco is? I don't. These guys do. All right. What is a walking taco?
It's a Frito bag with Fritos in it, and then chili and cheese.
Okay. So it's like Frito pie.
What'd you get? Baked cheese.
Warning: in case of the rapture, this car will be unmanned. I don't know what that means. Do you know what? Warning: in case of the rapture, this car will be unmanned. Do you know what that means? No. What does it mean?
A Jeep Liberty was my dream car.
This parking lot's so interesting. Making me crave Voss's pulled pork right now. I might have to go get one.
It was good.
Okay, tell us about what we're about to do.
You're about to go whitewater rafting.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, Dustin, get over here. We're gonna take a picture.
Yeah.
And then,
Let's go. Cat, show me your feet. We're in hiking shoes. Hiking shoes going rafting. Look at this. It's so different from trail life, but it's fun. How many of them will make it back and how many won't?
We got 3 pieces of equipment, that helmet, BFD, and paddle. Go ahead, give me a big yeehaw. We got all 3?
Yeah!
Sounds good, guys. All right, cool. So, first things first, I'm gonna borrow this. I'm gonna go over the most dangerous piece of equipment we gave you here today. It is this paddle, all right? It consists of the blade, the shaft, and the T-grip. Any guesses to what the most dangerous part is?
My shaft.
It's the T-grip, guys, all right? This thing right here. 3 inches of hard molten pain. So if you're paddling correctly, hold the paddle like this. Not only are you really ineffective, this paddle can hit a rock. It can shoot up and hit your buddy in the face, all right? That gives them a condition we know is the whitewater facelift. That's black eyes, bloody noses, and summer teeth. What is that? You know, some are here, some might be in your boat. Hopefully, some are still in your mouth. So today, guys, we're gonna keep this T-grip covered. Repeat what I do. Put 1 thumb underneath, 4 fingers on top. Repeat after me. I will not let go of my T-grip today.
I will not let go of my T-grip today.
All right, y'all can let go. Cool.
No!
One answer for all three. It's a hard maybe, alright? Let's talk a little bit more if you go swimming. So it's either you will or you won't. I'm giving y'all 50-50 shot out here. If you guys do go in the water today,
She's the first person to grab it. Good for her.
Why they keep us on here? We would
go
totally fuck all
Go
this
off.
up.
Oh, she's solo
It'd be a
though.
shit show if we were all outside.
She's bussing.
We don't just
Just throwing them off the roof.
People would go swimming. Back. Rinse your feet off. It would be a nightmare.
Oh, that's us. It's a worker bee.
So you guys here? Oh, wait till you got a good one.
Get the smaller ones.
Yeah.
You're the fun. You're the
These are the fast, fun ones.
right there. Yeah, these are the good ones.
Yeah.
Black go-kart.
Fast and
always
fun.
faster.
It is.
You want to sit
hey, Jay, Dan, and
halfway
Brian.
on these swords? Then half.
Yeah, I'll just video. You do all the work.
Relax.
And we're off.
You're not paddling, guys. Try to keep your paddles out of the water.
Class 10 Rapids. Woo! Rock that boat. Why is it salting? I feel great. I'm a little cold. Let's chilly. We're going forward. How about we don't hit that big rock? Pedal forward. Pedal forward. Yeah! That was a good one. Yeah! Woo, another one! Yeah! Woo!
Yeah, 2-3 months. You're taking your time, right?
What do you think so far?
I was taking my time for part of it. Part of it.
It's good? Yeah. It's good? Should we try to flip?
We're gonna flip.
Alright. Do the work, do the work. Do the work, yeah! Alright, ready, go.
What's the question?
Tell us about the river.
That was horrible. What do you want me to say?
Okay.
Do this interview after this.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, okay.
We still got
It's my turn. My turn to go into the drink. Yeah! Yeah!
Might be a vulture.
Bald eagle. Hey, eagle, fly again. Caw-caw! Caw-caw!
That looks like a vulture.
That looks like an eagle to me.
It's a bald eagle.
Definitely not
It's
bald.
a bald eagle. Trust me, bald people can identify. I know what it looks like. Look at this.
Crack fries.
Crack fries? With what?
Pulled pork, it looks like.
Nice.
Got you a fork.
Okay.
Oh, thank you.
Wow, it smells good. What is that? Is that Starlink? Going to hot tub later. We are a motley crew. Going to Ruby Tuesdays.
Some more unsweetened?
Cheese covered bacon, queso covered bacon. The combinations that I come up with on the trail are amazing.
Thank you.
I've never seen a Bitcoin ATM of all places in Knoxville. 69, nice. Seems a little pricey for a gas station in Knoxville to be popping 70,000 in.
Screen's locked.
That's fine. I got it on this side.
Waffle
Yeah.
House,
Waffle
Newport,
House.
Tennessee. Glad to old friends and new friends.
Yeah.
Glad to have everybody here.
So this is our first time in a Waffle House, and Kurt has been a trail angel again. Thank you, Kurt. We got waffles, a bunch of bacon, hash browns with cheese and onions and scrambles, and everybody's eating well today. How's the food?
It's very good.
Yeah.
There's an omelet.
An
There's
omelet.
a Waffle House omelet.
Big ass omelet. Yeah. What a lovely experience here in Newport, Tennessee with a good friend. Coming to you live from the back of a pickup truck in Newport, Tennessee. Guitar.
Free concert.
This is a first. Taking the town way so we can fly out on the highway. I see you, buddy.
There's dog sign. Yeah, we're gonna
Yeah, the missing dog must be close to the trail. Cherokee National Forest, so Round Mountain Campground. Apparently that's where we're at. Dustin, you're the man. Thank you so much. Really appreciate you. All right, we are at Lemon Gap, 3550, and we're heading towards Hot Springs, which is 14.4, and we're trying to go to, not Walnut, definitely not Walnut. I don't know, we're trying to go somewhere. We might even go to Hot Springs today.
A little bit.
It's the end of the forest. End of the forest. For a little bit. I don't know, this is like a mountaintop here. So this is Walnut Gap. I think this is where our hiking homies had their stay last night. Not bad. Just did Bluff Mountain, called Buff Mountain, because we flew up that thing so fast. Now we got a decent descent down, and everybody's feeling good. Just ran into a couple from New York City that when I lived in Bed-Stuy, they currently live a few doors down from where I was. So pretty cool. Running into more neighbors. A little slippery. running down the trail with a guitar on his back. Riggs is a wild man. We're at Janine Flow Gap. No. But we are, yeah we are, but we are 1924.7 away from Katahdin. And we started at Lemon Gap 7.8 miles ago. So we did 7.8 miles today, and it's pretty good. Feeling really good. So 7.8 down. I think we got another 5 miles to go to the shelter, but it should be good.
So you eat the peanut butter and tuna with like any tuna packet, or is it just like the plain ones?
No
Honestly,
answer.
This is my first one, and I'm into it.
$3.50 on a
It's
Friday.
sweet and spicy.
Y'all must have went home early. Not mad at you. Yeah, I heard something about somebody got a warming ride today, so I was calling to see how y'all are doing
If I had the energy, I would
and
get
see what the
honey
word
up,
is with
and
that
I'd feel
worm.
really good.
So I'll give you a call another way. Will it light?
Probably not.
That is, I'm gonna say betting no. Keep going.
Ooh.
That almost got. That's some big sparks you're throwing there. That looks fun. We got smoke. Oh. Oh.
Something's gotta catch.
Tell us what just happened.
Retries.
Tell us what happened.
Well, Riggs here's been trying to light this fire for 15 minutes.
And then what happened? And then what happened?
And then I gave him the flint and steel.
And then BAM!
Damn.
We got fire!
He literally like just did like 4 or 5 times and the shit started up. So wow, that's impressive. Yep. Oh, watch it now. That's an angry strike.
I don't think I've ever heard anyone ever say that their favorite candy is Mike.
This is the best Snickers I've ever had.
On you, though.